Did you decide to call American Paving Design?
I called 7, and they were the last one I called, and the previous 6 left me in such a state of despair that I said, if this last one doesn't work out, I'm going to forget the patio. They would show up, they would give the estimate. Most of them I didn't hear from again. One of them wanted 2.5 times what American Pavers ended up charging. And one of them insisted that I wait for a landscape design before I got the hardscape estimate. And I felt like I was being jacked around. So when Tim showed up, I told him the horror story, and he said, tomorrow you will have a written estimate, you will have a diagram. If we agree, give me a third down. He says, I'll get it in front of the plantation. I'll keep you advised every step of the way. And from Tim to Nicole to Steve to Scott, everybody has been amazing. It went exactly as they said it would. Very professional. I mean, the work speaks for itself. What I got were the bones of a backyard that I wanted so that I could do my own landscaping. I have it done to the way my own taste. And, I couldn't be happier with it.